Okay, this is a Mercedes Benz 2003 E-Class E320 or W211, and I'm replacing here the stock subwoofer. This is where it's located. I have to cut all this plate to fit a new aftermarket subwoofer. There's the original wires that I'm gonna reuse. I'm not gonna replace those. I'm gonna leave it like that. To get access to this subwoofer, you need to remove this panel. Let's hang it over here. You can see. Well, first before that, you need to remove first the seat. It's got two locks, one on each side, one over here. You need to pop it up. The other one's located over there. Once you remove that, the back cushion, it has is attached to the car with 3 bolts. One over here, another one here, and the second one, it's over here. So it's three bolts. Once you remove that, you need to pull it from bottom a little bit and push it up like 2 inches up, and that way it's gonna be unlocked from here also. Okay, once you remove this back cushion, what you need to remove is this pillars, the C pillars, I think how they call it like that. They have this piece of plastics. Those piece of plastics go over here on the side of this the cover from the speakers. They got holes over here, as you can see. Okay, so it has this plastic piece over here. You have to pop this one first, put a little bit, and then lift it like maybe inch to release this one here. Once you release this one here, you pull this part like towards the front of the car a little bit. As you can see, this one here needs to pop out from this cover. So once you remove those 2 pillars, this one is attached to the car through those plastic pins over here, and then you can remove it easy, and that way you got access to the speaker. Okay, in this case, I already do I already swapped the stock speaker. This is the one I'm gonna install. It's an aftermarket speaker. Yes, you can see it's bigger. The stock subwoofer is tiny, very little. That's why we have to cut the hole on the metal down there to fit this one through. And those the connectors are gonna plug in on the stock wires. It's a 10 inches. It's very easy and cheaper to replace it, and cheap because the original is too expensive compared to this one. It's a kicker. Cost me $90 on Best Buy. So this is it. Thank you very much.